Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the session. So today we are again going to looking for how we are going to build a resume. Okay, and what kind of resume? Tailored resume, which we are going to make according to a proper job description. Okay, so why we are going to make a tailored resume? Okay, and how we are going to understand the job description, that the thing we are going to looking for. What are the relevant skills and experiences you have to require and apply for the job? What are the keywords you have to use? What kind of custom layout you have to use? How we are going to prepare a tailor cover letter, and then we are going to look for final best practices which we are going to use. Okay, then first, why we are going to make a tailor resume? Okay, so making a tailor resume is going to enhance your visibility of your resume in front of the hiring managers. Okay, hiring manager means HR people. So whatever the job culture you have, okay, those things you are going to be highlight those things in your resume. Okay, highlight how your skills and experiences are going to align with your proper job description. Okay, then if you are going to make your resume according to the job description, it will going to enhance or increase the chances of your interview. Okay, so the best chances you are going to get the call for an interview. Okay, and it will also essential for the competitiveness. Okay, competitiveness, because in this competitive job market there are lots of people are applying for a particular job. Okay, so among those people you have to beat all those people. So if your resume able to beat half of the people in that competition, so why we not going to prepare that kind of resume who can beat 50% of the population of that particular job? Okay, then Then, whenever you're going to apply for a particular job and you have to make a tailored resume for that particular job, first you have to understand what is the job description they have given for that particular job post. Okay, you have going to identify the key skills and priorities of key skills they have mentioned in the job description. Okay, what are the essential skills they want or focus? What are the essential skills they are going to focus on? Okay, you have to understand those things. What are the job language they are using? Okay, in their company. Okay, and looking all the things like proper job description, you're able to understand what kind of questions they were going to ask in the interview when you're going for the interview round. Okay, you can able to predict the potential questions they were going to ask. Okay, then we are going to identify the relevant skills and experiences which you have and which going to align with your company descriptions. Okay, we are going to highlight the skills and experiences which are going to match the proper job requirement. Okay, highlights, we are going to highlight the achievement which we got in the institutions or in previous companies. Okay, which are going to align with the company's objective or requirement. Then we are going to prioritize our content most. We are going to highlight the most experience, relevant experience first. Then rest of the experience we are going to mention. Okay, we are going to mention the current experience which we are pursuing or which we have, and we are going to update our resume regularly. Whatever the new skills and experiences which we are learning, we are going to apply them. Okay. Then identify the relevant keywords, extract the keyword related to required skills and technologies. Okay, we incorporate all those keywords in naturally in your resume. It should not be look like you have inserted some keywords and it is not fitting into a certain kind of sentence. Okay, you have to look at for that. Okay, maintain a natural flow for both the ATS and human reviewer. Okay, the ATS is a software through which your resume going to get shortlisted. Okay, before reaching to a human reviewer. Okay, so this ATM software going to shortlist your resume according to basis of the job description. Okay, avoid stuffing of the keywords. Okay, then customize the layout. After making your tailor resume, get understanding the job description, then you have to make a layout for your resume. So what is the layout? And the layout should be in a right format. Means your all things should be start from right margin. Okay, should be in chronological order, functional or combination of formats. Okay, and what where you are going to make a resume. Okay, it make your resume layout. Okay, use a clean typography. Okay, clean strategic typography and strategic placement of a prominent information first and then the rest of the information. Okay, use of visuals if you can be able to use of the visual like your photos or any kind of logo you can use those visuals to enhance your resume. Okay, then tailoring the cover letter. In cover letter, what you are going to give, address the letters to a specific person if possible. Okay, you are going to state your experiences and one. Okay, and summarize. Okay, you are going to express your interest, state why you are excited about the particular opportunity. Then you are going to summarize your experiences aligned with the company's objectives. Okay, and you are going to tell about conclude with all actions like requiring the skills and interview. Okay, then hmm. Then final tips and practices like uh, whatever the resume you have made, make sure it is a free from error. There should be a no errors in your resume like spelling mistake and all. Okay, always seek a feedback from your advisor or career counselor or any kind of mentor who going to review your resume. Is it fine or not? Okay, always write. I told you update your resume regularly, so keep it current. Okay, engage in the networking. Okay, engage in a networking means engage in a professional network. Okay, not with the friends and families. Okay, then there are the famous, some of the job portals are there, Naukri, Shine, Glassdoor, LinkedIn. These are the job portal from where you can apply for the jobs. Okay, then you can also go with the Google search also. You can have to just write jobs for the data science in India or a particular location where you want. Okay, then these are some kind of keywords you can use when you are making a data science resume like feature engineering, clustering, assembling methods, statistics, data analysis, okay, quantitative analysis, time series analysis, data security, privacy, and all. You can mention in your resume. Then you can in front of from your interview they were going to ask some kind of question, technical questions, okay, or how you are going to improve in your career, giving any kind of creative example. And they were also going to ask about, are you feel too free to work on weekends and nights? Are you willing to relocate or travel if it needed? They were going to ask these kind of questions which you have to address according to your need. Okay, then yeah. Then you can contact us on this number. You can contact on this number. Okay. If you want to get any kind of training regarding data science. Okay. You can also email us. Okay. And our office in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai. You can also follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Okay. Till then, bye.